everyone, Josh Smith here with Gotta Be Mobile. I'm checking out some cool new Apple Watch accessories for 2019 that can protect the new 44mm Apple Watch. This is drop proof and waterproof, so if you are into extreme sports or you just are in areas where you're gonna get wet, or maybe you're gonna wear it to work in construction or someplace like that, this is something really interesting. Let's take a closer look.
Josh, you said two really critical things. One is if you're an extreme sports person, which is really how our company got started, but our waterproof watch cases are the most waterproof cases for watches. Actually, we're the only ones who make a waterproof case for the Apple Watch, and they're 330 feet waterproof. Why will you need to go that deep? You won't, but you have the confidence of knowing that you can, and so your everyday adventures, whether that's the beach or the pool or an adventure park, you know that these are going to be awesome and hold up and give your watch 360 protection. The other key product that we're announcing this year is the impact protection case for the Apple Watch. So if you don't need all of this protection and also are looking to meld a lot of style with your watch, change out the colors, the impact protection case for the Apple Watch is absolutely fantastic. When we released the impact protection case for the Apple Watch Series 3, we did it in two parts. So we had a snap-on front that was impact protective, and then we had these colorful bands that you could interchange. This time, with the Apple Watch Series 4, we did it all in one piece. You can still change out the bands, but they come together a little bit lower price point, and they're completely retrofitted for the Apple Watch Series 4, so it's really an amazing case. Other new things that we've got at the show are the waterproof case for the iPhone XR, which rounds out our series of waterproof cases for the XS, XS Max, and XR. These are 33 feet waterproof and drop proof to 6.6 feet. And then the last thing I wanted to share with you was 2 weeks ago, we just got into Apple, which was amazing. About April 2017, we released a waterproof AirPods case. Put that down. Waterproof AirPods case, and Apple got a hold of it and said we've got to have that in our stores. And so we did an exclusive version for them. They have 3 exclusive colors in white, black, and glow in the dark. It's an enclosed case for your AirPods that's waterproof. You flip down the top flap, take out your AirPods. It's a soft silicone front with a matte finish carabiner. This is key because these are really an insurance policy for your AirPods case. $160 case, but $30 solution that you can hook onto your backpack, your purse, your belt, and not lose them. And then they're also waterproof to 1 meter. So these are fantastic.